common collector configuration, that is the last configuration. Earlier we did common base and common emitter. This is common collector, and as the name suggests, collector is going to be common to base and the emitter. So you see the collector is common to base and also to the emitter. Okay, over here, I'm gonna ask you a quick question here. So let's look at this right here. I want you to focus over here and tell me whether this transistor is a PNP or NPN. Look at the direction of the current.
It's a PNP transistor because it's pointing from positive to negative.
Correct, there you go, PNP transistor, okay? So because it's pointing downward, that means surely this terminal is P and this terminal is N. And if this is P, this is N, surely this has to be P, correct? So that makes a PNP transistor. And if you notice, this is also a PNP. It's just the same thing. These two are same thing. It's just this is the schematic right here, and this is the circuit diagram, or like a block diagram maybe. Okay. Both are same thing. Okay, common collector configuration. These are the, again, will be available in the data sheet. The characteristics are similar to those of the common emitter configuration, so I'm not going to explain too much here. Vertical axis is IE. So same thing pretty much, right? You know, looking at it, you know that, okay, this is the cutoff region, this is the saturation region, and this whole region in the middle is going to be the active region, the one in green, okay?